Hello guys, this is Chris with marketingintelligence.com and I would like to welcome you to another great video on how you can make money online. Today I would like to show you how you can make money about $100 a day or so using Google. Very easy step-by-step way. I will show you everything how to use it the right way so you don't get confused and how you can implement it. Before we start, as always, I would like to ask you to click the link below this video if you haven't already, to subscribe on my channel and follow all the new ways I'm showing you in order to make money online. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Stuck to the end and I will show you another great way on how you can make even more money. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, what I would like you to do is open your Google on your browser. Just go ahead and click on the search button, type ClickBank, hit enter. It will take you to this ClickBank Best Affiliate Programs. I would like you to click on it and it will bring you to the ClickBank website. I've talked about ClickBank and a couple other affiliate websites a few times on my video. So today I would like to show you step by step on how you do it. I'll show you now how you are able to search a product, find a product in a nice niche that is very popular in order to promote it and how to promote it. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and start create an account in ClickBank so you can implement later on and get the promote link and push it out. So for now, just follow this and you can create the account later on if you haven't already. Click the affiliate marketplace, make sure you come to the affiliate marketplace, and this will bring you to the site where you are able to see the different niches, the different size, the different categories you are able to choose from. This guide has everything. So find a category that is popular, that people are really into it and there's a lot of demand. So summer is coming, everybody wants to get ready for summer, wear their swimsuits. Health and fitness is very popular. It's always, regardless of the season, but I would suggest to go with health and fitness. So for the sake of this video, let's choose this one. Now once you come on this, guys, it's very important that you find the best products, the ones that they have the best sales, the best revenue, and so on. So what I would like you to do, if you are new to this site and if you haven't used it already, what I would like to suggest is to go to the sort results by not the most popular, but by gravity. That will bring you back the best gravity ones, the ones that has the best sales. You see, so the average sale is 84%, which is really good. And we also would like to look here for rebuild. Average rebuild, that is you are able to pay it over and over again. That's a great thing. So just scroll down and look for something that looks good. So it can be this one, lean belly breakthrough, or maybe faith diet, or 2-week diet. Let's take this one. So what you do, let's say for example, if you want to promote this, you click on promote and you need to get you will get the link once you sign in. And the nice thing about this one, guys, is that what I love about the ClickBank is, you see where it says affiliate page. Your promote link, the affiliate link you're gonna get, is gonna bring you to a site that is already done for you. You don't need to create a landing page, you don't need to create another website, you don't need to spend time, you don't need, if you don't know all this stuff, all these technical details, don't worry. These guys are spending a lot of money, thousands of money, to prepare everything for you. So you come here. So your affiliate link, it will bring you to this promote page, and then the user will follow this in order to sign up, get the product, and so on. So you click the back button, you come back here, and you're able to choose whatever other program you want. So if you're able to click the affiliate page, it will take you, as I showed you before, the actual page, the landing page or the website that these guys are having already for you. And from your promote, you'll be getting your promote link, your affiliate link as it's called, and then you're able to start pushing out for this product. Now, there is a right way to do it. You are not, we don't want at any point to spam people. We don't like spamming. We don't like to receive spam. People don't like spam in general. So there's a right way to do it, guys. And this is what I would like to show you, how you do it. So first of all, once you get your promote link, what I would like you to show, because that link it's long, it's very long. We don't like long links. It doesn't look good. So let's say, for example, what I would like you to do is open a website called tinyurl, and you take this link and you put it here. You click on my tiny. Let me show you an example, right? Let's say best cars for sale, just for an example. You click this one, and then you want to get this car, and then you get this link. Yeah, so let's say, for example, this is your link. Click copy, come to tinyurl, enter here, it says WordTech, enter a long URL, copy paste, make tinyurl, and this is how big your URL will be. Yeah, so you're using this URL now from now on to do anything else. Copy it, keep it there, and go from there. Now go back to implement the URL. How is the right way to do it? So when we're in Clickbank, we choose health and fitness. So you need to find related sites or places where people go with health and fitness. So, and what I want you to do, the right way you're gonna do it, I want you to open Google again, and then you come and type within how to lose weight, and then the most important thing, plus blog. Now this is will bring you to blogs that is related with our niche. So we choose to use a niche that is related with health, how to lose weight. Summer is coming. Yeah, so we're following this one. Best weight loss blogs 2018. We click this. It will bring us a list from Google. That means they are trafficking. They have a lot of people going in. Best weight loss for blogs 2018. So we scroll down and we find blogs that we like. Yeah. So once you go down, let's say, for example, this one, I like the name, the Fitness Sister. I like the name. Visit the blog. It sounds also very similar with the ones we like to do. Now, this is the right way on how you do things. Yeah. Latest post on this blog. Open it. Now, spend few minutes, read a little bit about this article. You need to give some related feedback with the article. So these are doing great job. They're posting a nice videos related with the diets. They're giving nice workout and so on. So go ahead, read a little bit. You don't have to read the whole thing, but you need to give a good answer related to this article. So that means when they see this, they see that you put an effort. You don't spamming. You just don't throw a URL there. So come down, close. Come down, all the blogs, you are able to give a comment on the bottom of each thing. So you leave a comment here. Yeah, type very nice. I like the theme of this article. Very nice article, very interesting, especially about the fact that, I don't know, about the carbon fibers diet that the carbon diet you do, and so on. Just type something similar about the cardio workout. Is very nice. I like the way you put everything together. Also, I found really interesting that if you combine the article, the cardio workout, with this amazing product that I recently ran into and I'm using in the last few days, and I'm very happy with it, that will have great results. I don't know if you guys want to give it a shot. It worked for me, maybe it worked for you. That's it. Something that you don't spam, you don't force people to click it. So the admins will see that you're doing some good job on there. So that's it. Go to Clickbank, find the right product that you want to promote, get the promote button after you sign in, come to tinyurl, change the name of your affiliate link, get the new one, use Google to find the right blogs, and then from there on you are able to promote it. Now I have one more great tip for you guys. I want you to open Google and I want you to go to Google Alerts, and then here it's something that is gonna make the work automated for you. What I mean by this one, so instead of going and searching for related blogs all over the internet, you have Google do it for you and give you an alert when it's ready. So what I would like you to do is come here and type, for example, how to lose weight. You put your email, show options. Just make sure you don't want to receive a lot of emails, so make it once a week. It's still gonna be a lot. Automatic English, any region, yeah, only the best results, also very important. Enter an email. What I would suggest, if you're gonna put your daily email, use a filter so that all the alerts will go to, let's say for example, a folder that you have created in your account, and say anything comes from Google Alert, put on this folder, so you don't get a zillion inbox emails and you are able to lose other important emails. So you have Google giving you the best results, is doing all the work for you. It will give you an alert with all new blogs or sites that are coming out, and you take these new sites and you go out there and you do the procedure we just described. That's it guys. Use this process step by step, clear for you, and start making money out of it. You can make easily $100 a day when you start promoting this with no problem. Now, as I told you in the beginning of this video, if you would like to see my #1 recommendation, how you can make even more money, passive income when you sleep, when you eat, when money will keep coming in, just click the link below this video, my #1 recommendation, and see how easy with a proof to make money effortlessly, no money down. Just follow the procedures, enter your email, unlock the video and follow it. That's it for me today guys. I really hope you really like this video. If you did like, don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Enjoy, and if you have any questions, do not forget to contact me. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Start making some money today. Thank you guys. Bye bye.